Most dash cams miss crucial details at night. Many believe all dash cams offer the same protection, but image clarity and features vary greatly. I'm a car tech specialist with years of experience. I've tested over 100 dash cams for performance. The biggest issue? Poor video quality in key moments. Accidents often happen at night or in low light. Standard cameras struggle to capture clear footage. This can leave you without evidence when you need it most. So, what's the solution for reliable, clear recordings? Let me introduce the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam. This dash cam records in true 4K up front and captures full HD 1080p at the rear. Both cameras record simultaneously for full coverage. You get 150° wide angle in front, 140° at the rear. That means more of the road in every shot. But what about night driving? The ROVE R2-4K uses Sony Starvis 2 sensor technology. This sensor excels in low light and nighttime conditions. It delivers vivid color and sharp detail, even in darkness. The front lens has a bright f1.5 aperture. The rear lens uses f1.8 for extra light capture. Both ensure brighter, clearer recordings at night. No more grainy or unusable footage after sunset. Now let's talk about accessing your videos. The ROVE R2-4K features ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. Download videos to your phone at up to 20 MB. No more waiting ages for files to transfer. Just open the ROVE app and manage everything instantly. Share clips to social media in seconds. You can also update firmware over the air via the app. Another standout feature is built-in GPS. See real-time speed and compass direction on the screen. Each video includes route, location, and speed data. This is crucial for insurance or legal evidence. Use ROVE's free GPS player on PC or Mac for playback. You'll always have the facts if something happens. Worried about storage? Don't be. A free 128GB micro SD card comes included. Supports up to 1 TB cards for long trips. Advanced features add peace of mind. Motion detection, G-sensor, and emergency video lock. Seamless loop recording means you never miss a moment. Screensaver, voice guidance, and live speed display. Optional CPL filter support for glare reduction. Supercapacitor ensures reliability in extreme temperatures. Now, let's address parking protection. The R2-4K Dual offers a custom 24/7 parking mode. Choose from time-lapse, motion, or collision detection. If an event occurs, it records a full 1-minute clip. The video is locked safely in an event folder. Next time you start your car, you get a voice alert. You'll know exactly what happened while you were away. Let's see it in action. Here's a real-world night driving clip. Notice the clarity of license plates and street signs. Here's a rear camera view in daylight, wide and sharp. Watch how quickly the app downloads the footage. Now here's the parking mode detecting a bump. The camera records, locks, and alerts the driver. All evidence is ready for review immediately. With features like these, you drive with confidence. No more worrying about missing critical moments. No more struggling with slow, outdated apps. No more unclear footage when you need it most. To sum up, crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Superior night vision with Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi for instant video download. Full GPS data and advanced parking protection. Get your ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam today. Drive smarter, safer, and with total peace of mind. So there you have it, the ROVE R2-4K dual. Front and rear dash cam with night vision isn't just another gadget. It's your smart co-pilot on every trip. Whether you're driving through the city, parked at night, or capturing a beautiful sunset road trip, this dash cam has your back in full clarity. You'll find the link to the product in the description below, so go check it out and grab yours before it sells out. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more real reviews on the best tech and car accessories. Until next time, drive safe, stay protected, and stay savvy. Peace out!